Hi everybody, this is Kathy with the Steady Betty. We are at the Southern New Mexico Festival of Quilts, Alamogordo, New Mexico 2019. We want you to come next year around the same time. Watch our website for dates for next year and plan to be here. I'm going to show you some videos and you're going to really enjoy them. There are going to be some great techniques, so stay tuned. Okay, this is a video for you to learn something great. This is the board I'm using today. It is the B50, so it's a lighter weight board. But here we go. This is the Debbie Maddie silk class that I took yesterday, and we are working with silk. Steady Betty is the best thing for pressing with silk. And we've got a backing on it. I'll tell you about that too. It's a Debbie Maddie. So if you're interested in silk, fabulous. Okay, the first tool I'm going to show you are the Betty bits. These bits, they pop out. You can cut the excess, which I've done here, and they grip your fabric. So when you're cutting on a cutting mat, they grip. But today we are going to use on the silk, we're going to use the Steady Betty board and the ruler grippers, the Betty bits, to draw our line on this silk. This is this Debbie Maddie silk. So we are getting ready to stitch this and have to have a line. It didn't move. The Steady Betty holds it so that silk never moved. And then the grippers on your rulers and your templates, they don't move either. So that's the first step. Okay, I want to show you how to accurately stitch with a stiletto, a steady stiletto. This stiletto grips your fabric, so when you're going up to the needle, it doesn't let it pivot. This is silk on silk, and it's pretty slippery. I do have a Betty bridge under here. I don't actually have to have it for this particular piece, but I've got it on there so it goes nice and smooth. I don't need it for the size, but I do need it for the smoothness. So we're going to stitch 1/4 inch on each side of this line. And I'm going to show you this bridge, this stiletto. Okay, I want you to notice on this silk that I'm not using any pins, and I haven't used but one in the bottom just to hold it. So all of this is done with the stiletto hanging on to that fabric so that it's nice and controlled. So there is absolutely no reason to have a pin. Okay, now that we have our half square triangle stitched and it's ready to press, the Steady Betty's going to be your best friend. Cotton, silk, wool, it doesn't matter. This happens to be silk. So we're going to set our seam on the Steady Betty. It doesn't get hot. It grips that fabric so it doesn't slide on me. So when I go to press, I'm just going to use the edge and knock down that stitching line and press in toward there and hold it down on that silk. And you talk about a beautiful, beautiful block when it's finished. Look at that, straight. Hi, it's Kathy with the Steady Betty. Wanted to remind you of our website, www.steadybetty.com. And if you'd like us on Facebook, I'd appreciate it. And also, we're on YouTube. So if you'd subscribe to our YouTube channel, it's Steady Betty. And thanks for watching our videos. Bye.